Winning dropshipping products do not all last the same amount of time. The common answer is 3 weeks to 3 months, but that is too generic. The better answer is it depends on what kind of product it is. If the product only works because it looks new, shocking, or trendy, the window can be short. Once the novelty fades or competitors copy it, demand drops fast. But boring, problem-solving products can last for years. In ProductLair's data, low wow products accumulated 5.2 times more reviews than high wow products. And products scoring 5 out of 5 on problem solving had 2.3 times more reviews than products scoring 1 out of 5. That means a webcam privacy slider, a door draft blocker, or a pet water bottle can outlast a viral gadget because the problem does not disappear. So instead of asking, how long will this winning product last? Ask 3 things. Does it solve a recurring problem? Is demand likely to exist next year? And is competition still manageable? If the answer is yes, you are not looking at a short trend. You are looking at a product with a real lifespan. I linked the full ProductLair product lifespan analysis below.